people refrain from making a claim in their own policies because they think, well, I get hit with a deductible, I'm left with very little.
Right.
Now, on smaller claims, that is definitely a consideration. You're better off, if you got an $8,000 claim and a $4,000 deductible, file it with the neighbor and take the ACV hit.
Mm-hmm.
Right, and move on. You got to do the math. But when the claims get bigger, you're always better off filing with your claim. And the fourth thing that people bring to mind when it comes to these claims is always, well, then I'm going to have a hit in my claim history. I'm going to have a hit.
Mm-hmm.
So my premiums are going to increase. To some extent, that is a consideration, but you're going to have 3 or 4 claims in about 5 years for somebody to say, well, this guy's a problem, right? Okay. Or this person. And those claims are strictly for that property. They don't carry with you as a person. They carry on the property.